Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to enable the Google Backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And now in this left section we have to scroll and find the system. Now let's tap on Backup. Yes, and tap on Next. Basically, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add account just like me. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here you can decide who will be using this device. So just mark the option, the proper option. And here in this tab you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on it and read it, and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data. You can choose both. I will choose only this one and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup. And as you can see, this is our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Device... The additional section, with advanced settings is connected with backing up the data using metered Wi-Fi. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. Alright, so to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now so your device can start the backup. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.